any bre
because a choir Jimensa any electoral commission in penny for and I'm so a fiaba to you when she no particularly a abatu woman a when she say no obi any nyai a time na the bobo bano ehu ma oh my Ghana me ha maninka but yeah here
on Asempa FM
we will find ourselves in an electoral crisis and a constitutional crisis because of the economy.
Adentia
Obi media ya me yapa ne say time wa new register e ho asem ya ye bobu hu kan bi twe ho dawre na ye mu bi ye bompa ye say de ye hu ye nti ana ye kase the EC4 episode mo ye supported by the MPP no e de asem ba no na ye bompa ye senki be wie no na bibia akoso totin na nka ye kra na ye ni magu ase. Some of us didn't want to be proved right, to be proven right. Because say ekobase ya vindicated that the kan ye na abamua the ka say besi no esia eye Ghana ena esofa obi
Asempa
FM 92 besi ne ya start ato aba Ghana ya bato won hihye nyina ya sumdwie because about why you as much as possible a more daho aye de bruni freno free and fair. Now the etimia manabasa no is because partly because say register in pain maybe aye de to aba no aye na edim na aye register so a political parties ni stakeholders nyina and the kabum ma ye twere na de ato aba no enti ye beto awie no manson twie ne ntokwa bia anhye da nyeden emma se mentime ho ase bi kura ba ekowiem e wo court de beba bia ne nyina ya giatu sa pepepe ne nyina ye hwese afia bato we be koso asomdue na bibia ye dwojo but obi de kono what it shows ne se afia bato we may not, let me choose my words carefully, I just essentially ni bisi enya sa we are not likely to have a credible register for these elections.
And then there was
na de mu bi hu ya ye kan ya mu bi mantie na mo ye electoral commission for diodium ably supported by MPP for them eno na isi ne obi de kan me kan sem num pe na akero de kan ya twere de awie ana obi meboa isi for so mo ye register ho adwuma nche ye kra no bebo ya mane 18th ya so maybe to mu bebie register nim at police station bia na wa wotwere udin bia no wakwa akohwese udin ene wo voters ID card mfo nyini bibia ye dan ewu eno ne friend no voter exhibition
yes
ye beto aba bia ye dan ye enye mre di kan ya ye afo bi yanko tinkoti a efie de ya madwi Ablekuma Central isi mpanyimfo akwa dem omo district office san so printed cars foforo se omo ko chama voters bi
motie no wen
the video na by no aye boy video no wa ha Friday a video akọ viral electoral commission for aye ho pre statement and pay to them kaba of Ablekuma Central isi office aye printing new voters ID cards obi before that no na ye MP wa down for honorable Erikopoko. So afraid mu bia ka chen say district esunafo south ya registration ni nyina wi onu mpo de ne de ne start exhibition
Asempa FM
isifo won district san so free nipa binum say omomram fa omo card na omo register ye no omo ko say lie wiem anadwo anopa enya ye no omo fa mra na omo beje card foforo bi ko omo print foforo am omo na ye adwemu na say betimi abaza enti Ablekuma de ne ba ya and I'll forward the video to you right away. You video evidence you print card. They say, hey, ebin si Ghana bako semuda. Se ebe ye dintwere wie. Ye boa ye ho aba be ye exhibition na exhibition ye fiti ase. Na say isi fo nko akwa hye dem wan adwo ba bi. Print cards. Yeah, press conference, the video ne babontia. And opena easy for I issue statements. Umre nintimiti minka na ma just me kind. Statement by no my issue. There no more can. Say, oh. Yeah, dintwere no. Ifidie na ye de ye no na bebre. Omu code ya de kro. Enti cars na ye de ma nipa omu betwere omu din bebre no. Eye duplicates and triplicates. Chere say card ye the card ama obi, ye the card ama mesa, ye the card ama samigency. But voters ID number no eye pe. Oyitima say. Et said ye nipa mienu akọ bi account or Barclays Bank, dia ma omu nyina one account number. It is not supposed to happen.
Yes.
Because it is a biometric database system. Machine bia will code that you configure. Police station bia will code. It is sit there and a BB set me easy for omo statement or omo admission. Na ekoba ne sa no card na ye de ama nipa bebre wo ho a because of say e duplicates and triplicates into no. Cars na nya papa omu ntimi fa nto aba. Enti ye pese ye print your card ne foforo. Easy for as na me narrating the pepepe yo. Na ye sanso check card near den. Oh, Obi, unfortunately you don't have it. Let me give it to you so that at least you can follow. Na from before you man.
Okay.
Na so you can forward it to your number.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Na ye sanso ko check card no e de ma wo mu biem. Na ye say dia wo kan dia mu erem. Because Obi dia di kan. Wo magana fo nyina tia se mfidie na ye wo dada na no ne di trading no. Enye papa aye dada. Wo si obsolete ana meboa. Ena mama nipa bi numa support mo na parliament ama musika almost 1 billion cedis. Say mo fa nye new voter register. Ye nyina mo se mo be na mo koto mfidipa. Je ye den na fidie mu no awakọ akoto. Etimi generate voters ID cards are ni nyina number e ya de kro. Obi register wa Ashanti, obi Western omo card number ya de kro. Obi wo voter, obi wo Slim omo card number ya de kro. E free 92 ye start class ye photo album register bi ensida. Na ye biometric. It's a fidi mu no e na man to papa anase den. Anase e ye fidi dada. And I'm what they can feed the mono man can no crunch rain. Because that is what some of us are hearing. And I'm feeding that down because he had actually dean that. Not police station calls to be ya configure or so no. My uncle, you can say reconfiguration.
Yes.
One your configuration no for. Until ama you have different machines with the same codes and therefore generating the same code numbers. Okay, infer non tonche. Ebien eye den na yesi ye number nu susu mfidie number nu su na ye den ehwe ye nyina ne ne mo political parties aye major stakeholders yakọ IPAC and ye voters register njobi se ye register wie ne close registration na se mpo easy for mo say mo madwuma ma anye ne yenti mo negligence and mo incompetence enti nipa mo ko sa lie register ya mo cars no ma mo cars enye papa because they duplicates and triplicates and quadruplicates then was a way oka kire amanyo ko ni nyina se problem abani anameboa no wa frɛ IPAC na wa ma yehu dia wo pese wo ye na wo de so ano na yeso ye wa adwenkyere dia yeso ye dia eden ye dia ba na fe dia yehu se oh ye we registration ye we dia but problem bi aba enti we mu no dia ye dia rectify situation ni obi an frɛ IPAC meeting obi an ka hwenkyere isi fo nko awo Dema Najo, not a via Ablukumaden and Najo. And they have admitted in their statement, say, I am passe or Mona authorizes someone printing new cars to replace the duplicates. It's a political party by number one, man. Printing and the so-called replacement, you know, Obi. Political party by an air observer because in our voter registration laws, you know, you register political party agents wo you print a card you hwese bibia ye kama na yeso ya take records ni bi. So if you are giving out new cards with new numbers now, where are political parties and your agents who is observing to ensure say the mo ye no kwa no obi mfa ho nkonko wiem uncle printed cars, Emma Ho, and people who are minors or people who are not supposed to be registered.
Asempa FM.
Ebia mo ya ba to nhye mu
Say on
no.
Asempa
To be
FM.
printed voters ID card the man will be I just nipa ne ti wanim. Onu ti ma say. So card wo kwa register na wo pa. What ho agency nyina to ne aye ne de wade asum se na wo ko. Me boa. So card ne yira mpo na wo kwa ye replacement a. What say district office wa ne aye ade ama wo. Na wo bi me boa. It is said then I will say who replace cars. Na cars na will replace no. Omo you affected no are not there and you are printing it in your office in the thousands. Say me print here we akwakoche. Political party ni bi ani ho. There was the card there duplicate ni ho. And you are printing this behind closed doors. Ye chewa. I am entreating political parties to bring their representatives when this has been going on for weeks. So be ye pesa ye behu the government of the situation of the problem. Nipa dodo say na ye affected. Obi check a list na omwan kasa publish no constituencies. Anytime I say my lawyer mess answer no. Enkwa omo ye affected by this problem. 100. I have checked them one by one. Oma number be kind 100. In Greater Accra alone, 21 constituencies out of 34. In Central Region, dozens of constituencies.
Central,
Say
1,
on
2,
Asempa
3,
FM.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I think 14
Yes.
constituencies.
Then
in
Greater
Central.
Accra about 21.
Yes.
Now, Obi.
Volta, the area 4. Eastern Region, Ashanti, Western North, Ahafo, Bono
Then
East.
Obi,
North and Upper
is
East.
serious na. Emaya yem shishie no. In some, Obedi senka nipa mienu miensa ho. In some constituencies, nipa nko omo card. Omo register we say card the easy for them ma omo no enye papa. Not because of omo fault, but easy incompetence. No ma dia generate cars ani nyina number ye pe no. Ebi ye 2453. Okay? Mukwijo one area pe
Data way free.
duplicate list nungwa ya anka.
Wait, muamu data na.
Yeah, ye data. And to call constituency bit say Jabs preparatory school nungwa polling station. Easy forcing the panko mo affected by duplicate cars na 875 one polling station. So virtually everybody there. I was set.
But how do we believe these numbers? Those way muamu data.
They have listed the list.
They have listed constituencies.
But they have
You
not
are
told
listing
us the
specific
numbers
constituencies.
involved.
Yeah.
It is said you pay 100,000, 200,000, 300,000.
Yeah, we don't know.
But say we MP now was our problem no area now called district officer. District officers are able to tell you. It is Sam George will say about 1,700. Ningo from or no the district officer catch no.
Yes.
Omo mo problem ni bi no. Yeah, reports ya my election directories, regional and districts. Ako offices ni nyina and in some areas honorable nipa 2,000, nipa 1,005 per constituency. Even if you take the average as 1,000 per constituency and you are dealing with 100 constituencies, you are talking about something above 100,000. If in a constituency over 1,000, 2,000 people stand to be disenfranchised by no fault of theirs. Yeah, the card among more card nenye papa. And what be the only the one more no. What said them? On can't share political party say yen na yan to adwene ne yen solve. What's the one print cars never from more political party agency ni wa ye observe wa say eh ampa. The oh ye no thought because ye complain say e binum kro man register during the main registration under the guise of this so-called replacement of duplicate cars or more printing new cars for them.
I know ye mumu
All that
Tete.
yes. Then ye nyina ye ni wo ye nusumu. Omo ye affected no be say awotie. So we are affected. How do you know?
Say on
Easy
Asempa
for my
FM.
number involved, total number. Omo ma ye the names of the people involved. So that because obi a register ne form 1A ni ni telephone number ye den e wo so. Enti ka mo person mo solve crowd without political parties. All you do is that
Asempa FM.
by system failure and incompetence, whether they will admit it or not. No. If you need 100,000 or 150, but cars are the mammono. Falling within this problem of duplicates and triplicates. Inti muntimi fan to aba.
Inti mumra ni
Ni mo number ni inti mumra benje foforo. Obi enye sa na ye no.
But is that not what they are doing?
No.
Say omon publishing names, sir. It doesn't mean say they are doing something
Obi,
on tour.
there are thousands and thousands. Yeah, exhibition. 8 days. Now what you back on?
Yes.
8 days no quite a problem because you exhibition will come out with 8 days da. Charlotte say pencil a ye limited registration keke the 21 days in a year exhibition.
But I know not short code be anywhere will be to me.
Afarijan pencil.
Now there is a short code. You can sit in the comfort of your home.
Me baso.
How is it a scam?
Obi a scam. Me person me tutu asem natara. Na what for 8 days. Afarijan pencil ye new register my 11 days. 8 days. 5 days ko aka 3 days. Now was it 3 days when I find thousands of people over that been a announcement. I'm on who say I am affected into me koje card for. Na campus kroma kwa exhibition ni bi. This is just one issue. Look at the magnitude of it. Thousands of people are affected by duplicate cars are ECD ama wo. Enam ahopepre afutu aye dem mo mantie. Eni adwuma mu niminti no. I wouldn't say it's deliberate, but this is the problem. And it is widespread across the regions. Ye more political parties are man yes kwan men so ne solve. Omo ade omo pressure omo office air printing new cars without the involvement of agents. And we need the because ABC that say easy for be printed cars about agency in the thousands. Omo we are affected no so there has not been any publication for you to know say I'm affected into the corner rectify mame. Then no be. Yet ya easy for so omo here. You can say Kaje producers on my emre na program ne so many hours na because we hu here pa obi it's about our elections.
Same yana wrap up mame.
Sisia na me start me nyasa. Sisia na me start.
Same o start ya che yana wrap up.
Sisia na me start. Obi. Dia to so biem. Obi. Dia to so biem.
Asempa FM.
Yenim say ye voter exhibition.
Yes.
And you register no kwan ye biem so obi am checking it in. Ye the fidia ye friend of biometric verification device. Honorable ye MP nti wonim. Obi ntima se. Eso si wo
FM.
Enti wo kọ now the card kire na ye check udin. Na udin ne wo number na wo register no na wo card so na bibia ye kama. Na ya ma wo de won sasia fidie ni so. Obi ntime. Na ye hu se eda ne so na wo beto aba afidie ne betimi aye den. A verify. Sani ye exhibition. Because yeah about to say no verification no vote and the nipa be checking the din wom na okwa udi betimi awom da oba beto aba no ebia between the time I will register any time I will exhibition bibia si fingerprint details kra no I say I was here do question face only register mu. So it is necessary say the BVD machine will be there. Obi exhibition ayeye 80% of the polling stations no BVD machine. Western region honorable free. Out of the 1,078 polling stations a year exhibition, 400 per NFDO. Over 600 near Chile. FDB. How can you do an exhibition? I will be because say me do bibia wom but my fingerprint details now capture you know. And you be there ye mismatch and swap here until me didn't say FDN so me ya who complains of more call your details be our register no more say FDN so I reject you meaning that there is a problem with the bio data you store against their name in the register. So how can you do an exhibition without BVD machine? Obi ebiem ansana obi no me boson tentem o say me komika ansana ye be exhibition no ye dey final adjudication. Adjudication ne say ye registration ni nyina wi a na afidie no ye deduplication che say wa u register mienu bia afidie ne be peke wo say we ni we ba your data ese nti be hwa e nipa de kro no ye say afidie ni ni kwan say eyi mu din film e wo say easy for compile sa cases of omo mu di aba mienu no no mo de koma committee a ye from adjudication committee na adjudication committee for ne tena se hwehwe mu a omuni easy for nyina ka say oh we there you have time or register anyway na interval na be 5 minutes it is possible that e be double registration ti yentwem we have time interval na 10 seconds in bia your machine na duplicate ti e fanto nchen committee ni we na dwuma e ma de wo say ye ni din free register ni mo de ne call exceptional register and multiple register no so no ye de call ansa na ya exhibition adjudication committee for mo your last meeting 27th na was omu share third o man share and na me no ka say no ma send notice omu be share ya wodai new adjudication ma ye hu de wo se ye ni din film yes ye exhibition obi ebi si da e wo Ghana abakosem last but one obi nipa wo mu din ni register ni mo register yo mu kita o mo card na ya me yase na ye any time ye be san be biem honorable exhibition bia ye because ye nim say challenges be den ebeba. That is why ye exhibition, so that we can solve the exhibition. But normally, challenges, they are isolated. It is not the normal situation to work on. There nipa be dubi. But for example, in Ashaimaya, nipa 7,000 diaira. What Laura cry a friend Tongwa, nipa 439 ye chiro mudi. Register ne by nipa 7 din also.
As 7,000 figures ne we are munya free.
First day the register by na nipa 21,000 din. Say ye we registration we are agents were print house no. The we are isi class for publish constituency bia de do mo ye. Have a provincial register ba for exhibition e less 21,000. And no best san ne ka so mo ye mfon so first register ne papa. Second one so buy e less 7,000. Tongo ya make ye wo lorai. Nipa 437 e twiro mudin. Register by nipa 7 din was so 432 ni wo. Binduri you have about 99%. You see, Obi, it's a time waha. I have brought you all your original reports from our election directors. Where in some constituencies, dia airano 80%, 90%, 70%, and it is in every region and in about 80% of constituencies.
My final issue near then.
Obi, nipa ba ko te say dia meme sameje mfia. And me polling station na me register ya. Na nipa be apem na wo ha. Na ye de men kwa me picture ma nipa apem ni nyina. Can you imagine? Eastern region, central region, you go picture mismatch no ho. Say be ma picture de ama by no de wo ho. E normal. But me show the seriousness of these anomalies. Say it is not the normal anomalies we encounter during exhibition. And you see the difference is that during those exhibitions, so what challenges you can do what resolve. Now you have 76 days. And challenges when you're normal. Where you have 70, 80%, in some cases 90%, 60% of names missing. In some cases 70, 80% of pictures mismatched. And then the code finally, the 1422 said, Ebimu check here. Wrong data. Ebia will be there na aba na oba there. Ebia na nipa na ebema. The what check is one who say bibia ye correct no. Obekọ ni voter the polling station ankasa no. Na different information na wo. And that is why yesterday we cautioned the say and rely on the app. Go to your center and check the register. To be the make idea to say.
I think your points are well.
I'm just concluding. I need to make some calls here. I'm making some demands. Some demands.
Wait.
Let me make this concluding demands.
You would have the time to do that.
Just 5 seconds.
Tobo.
May I sign it out?
Do that briefly.
This voter exhibition exercise must be overhauled. I will say you die. Now, you see, every emergency IPAC meeting. No problem aba. You see, cars and their mama for
solve.
It has to be solved because we have 76 days.
Point well.
Either than that, we are heading for a major electoral and constitutional